8 gorgeous nail designs you absolutely need to try this year. Which one is your favorite? Burgundy marble nails. First, these burgundy marble nails are elegant, classy, and perfect for date nights or special occasions. Pink floral nails. These pink floral nails are soft, feminine, and give the perfect spring and princess vibes. Blue abstract nails. Blue abstract nails are trendy and artistic, adding a fun pop of color to any outfit. Celestial nude nails. These celestial nude nails with stars and moons are chic, magical, and effortlessly beautiful. Colorful chrome nails. Want something bold? These colorful chrome nails shine beautifully with metallic shades that instantly grab attention. Iridescent butterfly nails. These iridescent butterfly nails sparkle with dreamy colors and delicate details that look absolutely enchanting. Orange blossom nails. Orange blossom nails are bright, cheerful, and perfect for adding a fresh summer touch to your style. Hot pink French tips. Finally, hot pink French tips are fun, stylish, and the perfect twist on a classic manicure. Which nail design would you wear? Comment your favorite and don't forget to follow for more nail inspiration.